Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is plotting points in the plane. In this video, we will discuss about how to plot the given coordinates given xy ordered pair in your Cartesian plane. So let's start the video. So let us have our x-axis. This is our horizontal line. This is known your x-axis, and the vertical line is known our y-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. So this side, all the positive values of x are plotted, and this side all the negative values of x are plotted. This side all the y positive values are plotted, and the negative y values are plotted here, y dash. So negative values is represented by the y dash portion, by x dash negative, and your positive side is your this side x y x. This is your positive side, and this is your negative. This all positive. This is your negative. This is your negative case. Okay. So now we will discuss. Okay, now we will discuss, and the here it is your origin. The intersecting of both the horizontal and vertical line is called your origin. Now let us discuss the plotting of the points. Let us understand if a number 2 comma 3 is given, how to plot this. See, if 2 comma 3 is given, so first place is always denoted your x, and the second place is always denoted by y. So according to the Cartesian system, the first value denotes your x, the second value denotes your y, and it is your 3. So here, right on the number line, write on the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, -1 here, -2 here, -3 here, -1. Not write too much extra values. Only we are our requirement is for x up to 2 and for y up to 3. So here it is +1, +2, +3, +4, and here -1, -2, -3, -4. So on x-axis you have to plot 2. So on x-axis it is 2 here. Now from here, now after coming at 2 on x-axis, now go for y is equals to 3. So 3 units upward. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the common for your 2 comma 3. So this point, let us call it as A, and this is your 2 comma 3 representation. Let us give us a name A. Okay. Now let's draw another point. Let's say -2 comma 3. Okay, -2 comma 3. Now let us say this point is your B. Okay, now let's say this point is your B. So -2 comma 3 means now on x-axis -2, from here go 3 units on the direction of the positive y, because we have the positive y value. So in the direction of positive y it will be this -2 comma 3. So this is your B point, and this will be written as -2 comma 3. So this is your B point, and this is your -2 comma 3. Similarly, we have drawn this -2 comma 3. So first of all, you have to come to the x unit. Then in what direction the value of y is given, you have to go in that direction. If it is positive, go upward. If it is negative, go downward. Now if they ask you to plot, let us say C point -3 comma -2. Okay, so -3 comma -2 means your first value is always x, and your second value is always y. Okay, so this we have to draw on the this plane, Cartesian plane. So first of all, always come to your x value. So your x value is negative here. Okay, your x value is -3 here. Now, but you have to go -2 on y-axis. So -2 on y-axis will be upward, and for downward it will be downward. So we will come here 1 unit, 2 unit here. So this will be your -3 comma -2. So this unit will be -3 comma -2. So this unit will be your -3 comma -2. So if we draw like this dotted line, this will give you the clarity. So initially you can use the dotted line help, but after that try not to use this dotted line pattern. Okay, so this is your -3 comma -2, and and we have given this coordinate system coordinate point as name C. Now at last let us draw another point. Let us draw a point 4 comma -4. Okay, 4 comma -4 means on x-axis you have to go at y at 4 first, then you have to go -4. In which direction, upward or downward? In the downward direction, 4 unit to 1 2 3 4. This will be your 4 comma -4. This will be your 4 comma -4. Now you can use your dotted line help also. This is your 4 comma -4. Let us call this as a point B. So this is all points on the quadrant. So they are some on the some quadrant. So this is your first quadrant, called it where it is positive x-axis and positive y. Both are positive. This quadrant is called your second quadrant, and here your x is negative, but y is your positive. But y is your positive. Clear? So here it's your third quadrant where both x and y both are negative, and this is your fourth quadrant where your x is positive but y is negative. So this is how we have to plot the punch. Okay, let us take another example. If they ask you to plot E point as 0, 4. So that means there is no value of x is 0 and y is 4. So first of all, you have to come here at 0, then 4 unit upward. So that will be your 0, 4. So this point will be on y axis. So this point is your E and it is your 0, 4, and this point will be your y axis. Similarly, if they ask you what is 0, 4, first x come to origin, then go downward 0, 4. This will be your 0, -5. Similarly, if they ask you what is where is 4, 0, so come to on x-axis, x value 4, but there is no distance of y, so we need not to go anywhere. So this will be 4, 0 your final answer, and minus if they ask you to draw -4, 0, so this will be your -4, 0. So this is how we have to draw the plotting. We can plot the points on the given Cartesian plane. So I hope you understood the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my R1 Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.